Hello everyone, it is a class of physical education for class 11th. Today we will carry on the unit 8 fundamentals of anatomy, physiology and kinesiology in sports. In this chapter we will focus today on the respiratory system. As you know, there are various systems are working in our body, and respiratory system also one of the important systems for our body. So today we will focus on the general working of respiratory system. As you know, oxygen is a very important part for the life. Without oxygen we are not alive. So oxygen is very essential for every cell and tissues in the body. It helps provide the necessary life. Oxygen is the provide us through the inhaling of the nose. Nose is a very important part of the body. So through the inhaling of the nose, we have to get oxygen inside our body, and through the oxygen we are getting energy, and that energy is very important for our body and for body functions. So through that inhaling and exhaling, it is a process is called the respiratory system. So respiration is the process in which exchange the gases takes place in the body. Example, inner changes of gases: oxygen fuse with the blood and carbon dioxide diffuse from blood. The process of respiration involves lungs, diaphragm, respiratory tract, nose, mouth, larynx, pharynx, and trachea, etc. The part of the involved in the respiratory system. Respiration is of two types. So, number one is the external respiration or breathing. This respiration process takes place in the lungs with the help of air sacs. Air sacs, the carbon dioxide diffuse from blood and oxygen fuse with blood. External respiration is called breathing. Inhaling and exhaling are the two processes of external respiration or breathing. This breathing process oxygenate the blood. It gets purified as carbon dioxide is removed from the blood. External respiration makes internal respiration possible as oxygen rich blood goes to different parts of the body. So as you know, for any activity or for any work, when we have to perform, then for that we are required the energy, and we are get energy through the food, and second one we have to get energy through the oxygen. When we have to take the oxygen through the respiratory system, then we have to take oxygen inside our lungs, and that oxygen has dissolved in our blood. Then during the work or during the activity we have to use the energy, and then again when we have to feel tired. Why we have to feel tired? Because when we have to use the energy during the work to complete the event or activity, after that the oxygen has used or energy has used. So after that the oxygen has just changed into CO2, carbon dioxide, and we can say it was the pure impure energy or impure blood. So through that blood the impure energy or CO2 has again we have to throw out by the exhaling. So it is the general process of the respiratory system. Internal respiration or tissue respiration. This process of respiration takes place in the tissues and cell. In respiration, oxygenate blood reaches the tissue where oxygen gets used up during energy production. The metabolic reaction produces carbon dioxide, which is carried away by the blood. to the lungs for purification through external respiration. So through that I just told you regarding the process of the respiratory system. So through the inhaling or exhaling and during the work or during the activity, as per our requirement of the energy, we have to use the energy in the form of oxygen, and after that we have to just uh, our oxygen has just changed into CO2, and then through the exhaling we have to throw out uh, CO2 from our body. So this is the general process or general working of the respiratory system. Thank you.